I'm going to show you how to create groups for merging payments in BCM SAP S4 system. My name is Dias and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. If you are just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. Hey guys, I wanted to ask you a big favor to help this channel to reach to the first 1000 subscribers. Because at the moment we have more than 34,000 views, more than 1,000 hour views, which is quite an impressive number due to the fact our average of videos are 6 minutes. So you guys are really soaking up the knowledge of this channel. And what is not a big number is this less than 700 subscribers. So can you please go to the subscribe button there, subscribe it to help us to reach to the first 1000 subscribers. This video is a continuation of the configuration of the BCM that we are doing here in this channel. If you find the playlists, it means that we have finished the videos of this series. If not, we are still ongoing. In this step, we are going to create rules for merging payments. This is a quite simple action, but we need to do it. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP IMG menu. So we are going to go for the financial supply chain management, then bank communication management, payment grouping, and then we are going to use the rule of maintenance. Here, in this system, I have a lot of things. In your system, it might be empty. We are going to do one, but first I'm going to explain you what is this meaning. So the rule ID, you define the naming convention with your client. Well, wait. Before you start doing this, I'm going to remind you again. Please finish the configuration of the automatic payment, test it, and if it's working, you can start the configuration of the BCM. So now the rule ID you define with your client. For us, I put for all _01, and then the priority I put 1 day, but you know that you can press F1 and know more about this. For urgent payments, you put 0 days. Vendor plus payment, you put this. You can do it yourself and test a little bit the things up. And then we are going to use 1, and then what I'm going to do in our scenario is that I have below 500, from 500 to 1000, the second rule, and I'm going to create a third rule from more than 1000. This means that when we run the automatic payments, it will get this rule if the payment is less than 500, if it's in between this one, or if it's more than 1000. So let's start and let's create our rule from the scratch to show you how to do it. So new entries, I'm going to put number 3. You can have as many rules as you wish. I defined 3 rules, but you can have 6. You just need to deal with the range that you want to have it, and please check with your business. So priority, we are going to put 1, and we are going to put above 1000. So now I'm going to save. First part is done. So far, so good. Now we have here this option that we need to click to go inside and actually give the rule for what we wanted to do. So now I'm going to click here. From valid from, you cannot change for a date below because you're going to get an error in the system. I'm going to show you. If I click here, it's going to give me that I should be putting the daily date or greater than today's date. So we are doing on the 5th month on the 20th. So I'm going to click OK. So here we have the attributes for the rules for batches. So I'm going to open, and then our first attribute that I want to use is our company codes. So in here, you can leave it blank or you can put the company code. I would advise you to create this by company codes. If you have a range of company codes, you know that you click in multiple. If not, put your company code, so then you know that you are using your batch rule. Now we are going to choose the payment amount in the rule currency. I'm going to move it there. And then we are going to say here that it is greater than 1000. I'm going to click here just to see that there is no issues, and we are going to click here, and then both have the status. So what we have here for this payment, for this rule, we have the payment company code, which is our company code, and then we have the payment amount in rule currency greater than BRL. It's became hour, so I have 1000. I could have it equal to 1000, from 1000 to 2000, and create more and more rules ID. So now I'm going to save. I'm going to get back to explain a little bit better the others. So now I'm going just to update this payment above 1000. Save, and I want to show you this. If I double click here, I want to show you what I put. I put between 500 to 1000. So you can have as many as rules as you want, as you define with your client. Please do not forget, make a like to this video. And if this video was very useful for you, please make some comments. Now we go back, and then this step is done. Now you know how to create groups for merging payments for BCM in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.